Good morning, children. How are you all? So, which lesson here? We are in air and water. Already we discussed about the uses of air. Already we have discussed. Air occupies space and properties of air we have discussed. That is, air occupies space, air has weight, air is required for burning, air exerts pressure. Already we have discussed. Now coming to water. Already about the water also we discussed, isn't it? Water. So what is the main reason for water pollution? That is contamination of water with impurities. Many impurities are present in the water which makes the water unfit to drink. Isn't it? Due to contamination, that is washing of clothes will be there, or industrial wastages will dump into the water, factory waste will dump into the water, which makes the water unfit to drink. This is called contamination of water or impure water or polluted water. Mixing of harmful substances in water, which affects even the aquatic life, that is plants and animals which lives in the water. Next, coming to removing insoluble impurities from water. Removing insoluble impurities from water. Removing insoluble impurities from water. Here see, what are the insoluble impurities? Sedimentation. These are the three ways in how you can remove the impurities. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. These are the three methods for which the impurities can be removed. Now here we will know about the sedimentation. Sedimentation. Take a glass of water. Take a glass of water. In this, add the chalk powder. Add the chalk powder. Chalk powder. Mix it well. Mix it well. Isn't it? Stir it well. The chalk powder spreads in the water, and what is the color you get? Milky color you will get it. What color you will get? Milky color. Now allow the water to stand still for 15 to 20 minutes without disturbing the water. Keep it aside. After 15 to 20 minutes, what you will see, the chalk powder will settle at the bottom of the glass. Chalk powder will settle at the bottom of the glass, and you get the clear water in the glass. This is the clear water you get. Clear water you get. The chalk powder which settles at the bottom is called sediment. What do you call it? Sediment. What do you call it? Sediment. It is called sediment, which is undissolved in water, which is not soluble in water. So here the particle settles down at the bottom of the glass, and to get the clear water, this process is what you call it? Sedimentation. What do you call it? Sedimentation. Now next coming to decantation. Now this clear water is there. This clear water you are transferring it into the another vessel, clean vessel. You are transferring the clear water into another vessel without disturbance. Without any disturbing that chalk particle which settles at the bottom. Slowly pour this water into another glass, isn't it? So here what happens, the sediments which left behind, which left at the bottom of the glass should not mix up with the water. After settling down the chalk powder only, you get the clear water. This clear water you transfer it into the another glass. This process is called decantation. What do you call it? Decantation. Next coming to, you have seen that tea. Tea is prepared by using milk, sugar, water and tea leaves. Tea leaves the color of the tea leaves will be extracted and the tea leaves are undissolved in water, not soluble in water. So how you will filter this? How you will separate these tea leaves? By using sieve. By using sieve, you will separate the tea leaves from the tea, or tea strainers you will use to separate the tea leaves from the tea. Isn't it? In the same way, so now here, in the same way, very small particles are there in the water. Very small particles are there, very fine particles are there. How with this strainer, these particles also come out. But now, how you will separate these very fine particles? Huh? How you will separate it? You are using a small, we need a material. We need a material which has very small pores are there. Very small pores are there. Such material is called filter paper. It is called filter paper. Very fine pores will be there. So, like mud particles will be separated from this filter paper. By using how the filter paper? It will be in a circular form. Isn't it? And you make a conical in shape. How to make it? Conical in shape. Make like this. Filter paper. So here what you need is one flask is needed. This flask is required. Conical flask is required here, and then one conical funnel. You are taking one conical funnel also. What you are using? Conical funnel. You are using the conical funnel. So here, what your muddy water you are separating. The mud is the impurities which is present in the water. Here you are using the conical funnel. Now make the shape of the filter paper like a conical shape. Isn't it? Now take the mud water in the beaker. Take the mud water in the beaker and pour this water into the filter paper. Conical funnel containing filter paper. Slowly the water, here you are taking, this is the muddy water. Muddy water. Slowly pour the water. The water is collected in the conical flask. Slowly, drop by drop, it is collected. What is left behind on the filter paper? That is very fine particles of mud is left on the filter paper. Isn't it? The water which are collecting in the conical flask is called as filtrate. It is called filtrate. Pure water. And the undissolved particles which you get on the filter paper is called residue. So these are the methods which we adopt to purify the water. Isn't it? So in this way, you are purifying the water, the deposition of mud particles you will get on the filter paper. Understood, children? So these are the three methods to purify the water. Undissolved particles will be separated. The particles which are not soluble in water will be separated by using these three methods: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.